So, should we unlatch the trailer?
No, we gotta get wood first.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah, real comfortable. I don't know. Can you break this?
You know what, this is too big. Let's go somewhere else.
Huh?
It's kind of too big, hey?
Yeah. Good.
Oh, yeah. Get on here and I'll fuck them up for you.
Okay. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, this will burn nice. Oh, look at that thing.
Beauty.
Chuck her down. Let's go. Yeah. Right there is my worst enemy. Yeah, grab it.
All right, we're good.
All right. Should last a while.
All right, it's time for fire building with Pops. Hello YouTube, welcome to Fire Building with Pops. Hey, well, on this cold frigid day, Rocky's out making snowboarding videos and I'm on fire duty. The secret to making a fire in the middle of the wild north is this stuff right here. Birch bark. So I got a bunch off of this here log, and now we're gonna light the fire. You guys ready for this? All right, we got her. Now once you got the bark going, you put on the little stuff. It's so cold, the birch bark doesn't even want to burn. There we go. Come on. Fire building with pops. Not the easiest thing in the world, especially when it's this cold. What you want to do is find yourself a nice chunk of birch and take the bark off. Make yourself a little platform on the snow so it doesn't get all wet. Start with little stuff. Add slightly bigger stuff. We're gonna catch some actual wood on fire, which is the goal. Because we want to warm up, you know what I'm saying? When it's cold out, you gotta have a fire. All right. Woo! Oh, it's beautifully toasty. Loving it. Little chunks until your fire is as big as you want it. Here we are in the great white, beautiful Snowboarding Provincial Park. More wood. Now we're talking. You don't want to add the big stuff too soon. Let it get some momentum going. Anyway, here you go, fire cam with pops. Talk to you later, eh?
So basically, me and my brother are gonna go do some snowboarding behind the snowmobile. Let's get going.
That'll be our contribution.
My sister and my dad are gonna make a fire. And I am gonna go snowboarding. It's -30 all night.
Check this out.
Nice. Oh, that's so cold in the ears. I mean, should we like kind of put some snow there so they don't hit that rock?
This is pretty good right here, though.
Yeah, I know. I can go all the way in here and come like super duper close.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start her up.
I jumped from there to there.
Oh. Okay, yeah, maybe we do need to build this up a little bit.
No, just get me going a bit faster. I could make it.
All right.
Yeah, hey, take me over to this spot where they were sledding.
Okay.